Hello angels, welcome back to another video. This is so exciting. So in this video we're going to be making a Decoden purse. This is inspired by the Disney movie Encanto. We're going to be doing Isabela. So not everything. The Decoden cream, the white one, I got from Amazon. The clutch purse I got from Amazon as well. The clay doll I got from Etsy, so I'll leave the link for this solid down description box down below. And that's pretty much it. Oh, the lace that we're going to be using is from Amazon as well. So I went with this purse. It kind of looked pink, but it was supposed to look purple. It still looks fine. So now I'm just getting all of my material ready. I wanted some lace. I wanted two different type of purple. So I have two different type of Decoden right there. Both of them I got from Amazon. I'm going to need my hot glue gun. And I'm going to need some scissors and my charms and all of that good stuff. That's how it looks. Pretty good. I'm just making sure that the lace is going to be looking good. That is heated up and everything. First thing I need to do is I need to mark up the purse. So with my X-Acto knife, I'm going across it and making some scratches so that everything can stick on there properly. You can't see it now, but I'm going to show you guys from a different angle of how it's looking. They don't need to be perfect. You're just scratching up the bag. You see? Not perfect. By the way, this video is very sped up. It's like if I'm going super fast, but trust me, I'm not. So now we can start placing down there the lace. First thing I did was I placed down there a little bit of my hot glue and then pressed down the fabric on top. I'm just going to be going all the way around the purse. All four corners. This is hot glue gun, so it dries very, very quickly. Make sure to be pressing down the fabric on there so you can feel the heat and it stick on there perfectly. We don't want it to be moving around. This step is very easy. She told me that the man of my dreams. Okay, we just finished up. Everything looks good. Now we're just going to be cutting off the extra piece of fabric that we have. This scissors is very dull. Oh, guess it went through. Surprisingly, I didn't burn myself with this. I was very excited. So since it's hot glue gun, we don't need to wait for it to dry because immediately it dries. So now we can start putting on there our clay charms. Well, first we need to put on there our Decoden. So I'm getting the piping tubes, is that what we call them? Those little things. They came with a Decoden kit. So I've clearly used these before, but I had to clean it up to make sure that nothing was stuck on there. Just on there properly. And this is the Decoden that I got from Amazon, the big white one. I don't know why. Like, I have seen a ton of videos on TikTok of how to cut off the Decoden. Look what I did. Cut off a little tiny bit. That's why nothing was coming through. That's why it was so difficult. I was supposed to cut off like a big chunk. Not a big chunk, but more of the plastic. And then place that metal thing on the piping part. And then it would be fine. Like, this just looked a hot mess. Eventually, you can see that I got a handle on it. But why did I cut just a little piece? Like, it makes no sense. Looking back, it makes absolutely no sense. Oh, Jesus. Now I'm trying to, like, fix my mistakes and make sure that everything looks good. Look at how crooked that part is. Oh, lordy, lordy. Do you think that I fixed it? I did not. This is so funny. So this is the other Decoden that we're going to be placing on there. I didn't really have a theme for it. I know that these little tiny Decoden was not going to be enough to fill up the purse. So that's why I bought the white one. Because look like that. Immediately you finish one side and the Decoden is already finished. So that's why I knew I needed some more. But we're going to make it work. And make sure to pipe it very closely together so that there's no space in between. I'm pretty sure that I'm not piping it very good, but yeah. I mean, it does the job, so who cares? You can see we have 3 colors going right there. And for the oops, that just exploded. And for the finished part, we're just going to be filling it with white. And all those little spaces that you see in between, don't worry, I'm going to fill it up. Listen, I was struggling with this piping bag because this is the first time using it. Usually when I order Decoden, it just comes in the tube. So all I have to do is just pop on the top and just be done with it. This was like in between, I just gave up. You can see that I just completely gave up. I was like, okay, this is it. Wait, it's not going to be working out. Let's forget about the squiggly. Let's just pipe this down so that we can start adding on there the charms. Maybe the charms and the clay doll will fix it. Who knows? But this is a clay doll. She looks so pretty. Absolutely stunning. I'm going to give you guys a close-up. This is the back and this is the front. Doesn't she look so beautiful? Right out of the movie. I made sure to rewatch the movie so that I could get this correct. It looks good. So let's place it directly into the center. Now we can start adding on there our charms. Went in with some butterflies. And she's all about different types of flowers. That's her power. Or that's her gift, one, I should say. I'm adding on there different type of flowers. I'm adding on there her bow, her butterflies, and little charms and everything like that. This is a charm. Decided to go with purple. I should have went with some different colors, different flowers. But this is what I went with. It's fine. We're going to be filling this up with flowers. Like I said, she's all about flowers. All things shall grow. And here's a close-up of all of the flowers that we have. Different colors, different sizes. I have my window open so the birds are going crazy. There's like a big nest in one of the trees. That's not important. So we're filling up as much space as we possibly can. And in the little tiny parts, we're just going to be adding on there those flat back charms. I'm going to show you guys what I mean in a second. Here it is. I don't think I'm going to give you guys a close-up of it. But we shall see the flat back charms. And little beads as well. I'm going to add on there some beads. This was starting to get very, very messy. So for the Decoden, you can just let it dry, sit and dry for like a week, 1 or 2 weeks. I say a week should be fine. You can always check up on it. It should be hard. And that's when you know it's good to go. And nothing will fall off. Make sure that you press down on everything that you're placing down on the Decoden so that nothing falls off and everything is good. Not just press down all the way on it, just like a little press. That's like what I'm doing there. I can see that I have a ton of charms left over. Absolute ton of charms. So this is how it's looking. Here's a quick little close-up. It's very pretty, but I don't know. It just looks better in my head. This is the back. I have some decorating on there that I can just wipe off. This is how it's looking. So this is after just a few hours. No, I think this was the next day. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks. It looks fine, but I just don't like it. I feel like if it's just too much stuff on there, everything's just overpowering everything. I don't know. But I do like the fabric around the corner of it. I think that's pretty cool. It looks gorgeous, gorgeous. Everything that I use in this video, I'll leave the link for it down in the description box down below. So if you do want to try making this, you can. It's very easy and very simple. I should probably add some glitter. No, that's just crazy talk. So now let's open up the bag so that you guys can see how it looks on the inside. Everything looking good. See? I have nothing else to say, but this video will end very shortly. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm really just outside showing you guys how this bag looks. That's crazy. Isn't my arm hurting me? But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like. And there's a plane coming over. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. I only made 3 purses. Well, 4 Decoden purses. The yellow one that I made is my favorite. And I guess this one could be my second favorite. Ooh, that's a bug. Alright, bye guys.